morning. So today I wrote 2 letters, not the same exact letter, but to 2 of the prisoners that I worked with last spring. So I'm really excited to mail these out. Just because I'm not sitting at my computer doesn't mean you get to take over. Are you using my computer? Hi, sleepyhead. Aww, hi, Oliver. Video. Alright, so we pulled a bunch of Christmas decorations and etc. up. And then at the last minute, she goes, oh, you can't even see. What's that? It's a dead bird. Yep. Poor dead bird. Probably frozen. It looks so pretty. I don't know if it, oh, well now the sun is gone, but it's flurrying a little bit. It's pretty. Look at that. You scratch.
You just gotta get used to it.
That's the one thing you actually can scratch. And he doesn't. He goes to the other things that he can't eat.
Uh-huh.
Murphy. Good boy. That is the one thing you can scratch. I think he likes it.
He's playing with the feather.
Yeah.
He didn't catch it.
Pork chops. Cook faster. They're looking good.
Okay.
Cook faster. I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. So I've got Burrito O'Murphy. And it is after 4 a.m. and I have to be up at like 8:30 basically. So this is gonna be fun. And yeah, good night. Good morning. I'm gonna pass out. Bye.